Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip bunch. Today, talking hyacinths. They're so fragrant, so many wonderful colors. Care and handling, a little different. When you get them in, undo the rubber band. Remove the sleeve. Open it out. Then taking each stem, you'll notice it has a portion of the bulb on the bottom. Leave that. That has all the food and nutrition for the bloom. All you want to do is scrape off the very bottom of the basil plate and then set it in water. Let it drink. When you go to design, you can remove it. But for the hydration period, leave the bulb on so that it has all the nutrition it needs. All the different colors, all the different flowers. Also beautiful. Now you know how the pros do it.